Yesterday while I was filming, I started hurrying up because I had an appointment, and that kind of made me feel like the video was gonna suck and it wasn't gonna turn out great because everything felt a little bit rushed. I wasn't really concentrating on what I was saying, and I was just like, oh man, even though I spent all that time recording, this video is probably never gonna see the light of the day. No one is probably ever gonna see this video. I'm probably not gonna post it. Even before watching it and seeing whether it was good or bad, I had already decided that I'm just gonna scrap it. And then I remembered one of my most recent UGC deals where I asked the person that had reached out to me, how did you come across my portfolio and what I do? And one of the things that they said is that they came across a YouTube video that they had seen me talking about UGC, and I sounded very knowledgeable. And this just goes to show you that you need to post that content even though you don't like it, because a lot of times people can still pick up on the value that you're bringing even when it's not perfect. And it's so good to just put it out there because you miss out on all of the opportunities if you don't even try. It also reminds me of a video that I saw of an inventor and founder who went on to make millions from their product. But for so many years, that product was in the garage. No one knew about that product because the first initial feeling and feedback after they had showed that product to a few people was that no one wants this, no one needs this. So they tucked it away and they put it away. Come to find out years later, this product is brought out, it's given a new function because it was showed to a new audience, and now that product is making tons of money. So why am I sharing this with you? To also encourage you, because girl, we're in this together. You need to post that content. Even when you feel like you don't like it, you need to post that content because you just never know who is watching and who is looking to hear from you so that they can take that next step to either reach out to you or learn from you or just be a part of your community. I am curious to know, have you ever felt this way when you were recording a video or after you've recorded and you're trying to edit that this video is just not good enough? And do you typically just not post it, or do you still post it anyways?